Hey guys, before this video gets started, I just wanted to let you know you can find me on Facebook at Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. Come and like my page on Facebook. You can also find me, I have two groups on Facebook. One is called Chit Chat and Crochet with Me. Come on and join that group, it's a lot of fun. The other one is called Recipe Swap with Me. That one's great too. We share recipes, lots of fun. Come and join those groups, guys. You can also find me on Instagram at Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. Just wanted to let you guys know, come look for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys are doing good out there. I hope you guys are getting in the Irish spirit. I know I am for sure, guys. I love everything Irish inspired. So I love I love Irish music. I love Irish food. I love Irish culture. So I love St. Patrick's Day, and I want to celebrate with you guys by showing you how to make this cute little shamrock. Or 3-leaf clover, and this one I made, and I put a cute little embellishment on it, these little rosebuds. You guys don't have to do that, but I made this into a little barrette for my daughter to wear. And this is a super easy, quick little project to whip up. You can take this little shamrock, you can make it as a, you can put a little safety pin behind here and do like as a lapel, use it as a little lapel. You can use it for an applique that I've used. I have another tutorial, an Irish inspired shawlette that I made, and I made a little applique and put it on my daughter's shawlette. You can do that. There's so many things. You can make a bunch of these and hang them as decorations in your house. The possibilities are endless, guys. So you can do a lot of things with these cute little shamrocks. But yeah, this one I just did as a little barrette. I love the way it came out. I bought these little rosebuds at Walmart. I also have these that I found at Walmart too that are very Irishy feeling with the green. And I am going to be using this yarn that I actually purchased at Dollar Tree. It's called, I don't know if you can see that, Crafter's Square acrylic yarn. So I thought it would be fun to experiment. I guess they just started selling yarn at Dollar Tree. I went in there to pick up some stuff and saw the yarn, and I was like, oh my goodness. So I grabbed some. You can't beat it for $1, right? So I'm going to be trying that out with you guys today, making these little shamrocks with my Dollar Tree Irish green, that's what I'm calling it, yarn. So let's get started, guys. I hope you guys join me on this fun tutorial as we make these nice little shamrocks. So come along and join me, guys. All right, guys, so let's get started. I'm going to be using a 5.25 size millimeter hook here for this project. You can certainly use a smaller hook or a bigger hook. If you do, the smaller hook you use, the smaller your shamrock's going to come out. The bigger hook you use, the bigger your shamrock will come out. Okay, and to get started, and I have a green hook to go with my green theme. So let's start with a slip knot. So you just cross over your yarn like that, take from underneath, pull it through the hole there and pull, and you've got yourself a slip knot. And then just tighten that up onto your hook. We're going to start with a chain of 4. This yarn, by the way, it's pretty good. It's nice and stiff. This Dollar Tree yarn, it's nice and stiff, and which for something like this, that we're making here, it's really actually a perfect. So I would say it's worth the $1 buying it from Dollar Tree. So we're going to do a chain of 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you got your chain of 4 there. Then we're just going to slip stitch into that first chain. Okay, so you're just going to go right in there, grab up your yarn, bring it through, and bring it through here. And we just created a little circle. What would a video be without my dogs barking in the background? Then we've created a little ring or circle. Okay, so what we're going to do from there is we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then from there, we're going to be doing a triple double crochet. Okay, so what you do for that is you yarn over twice. You're going to go right back in the center of that ring. Okay, you're going to pull up the yarn, come back through, and then yarn over 2 of the loops, yarn over 2 more loops, and then yarn over the last 2 loops. And that was a triple double crochet. Okay, next we're going to do a double crochet. You yarn over, go through your ring, pull up some yarn, come back up, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. That was a double crochet. Now we're going to do another triple double crochet. Yarn over twice, go through your ring, pull up some yarn, come back through, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 more loops, yarn over, go through 2. And that was another triple double crochet. Now we're going to do one more double crochet. Yarn over, go through, pull up yarn, come back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Okay, and now we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And now what we're going to do is go back into the circle, the center circle here. And we're just going to slip stitch. So we're going to go through, grab our yarn, pull it up, come back up, and just go through our loop just like that. We just created our first little clover leaf. Okay? Now we're going to work on our second leaf. We're going to chain 3. We're going to basically just repeat what we just did. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the triple double crochet. Yarn over twice. Go through the center of your ring, grab up your yarn, bring it up back through the ring, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Okay, we just did a triple double crochet. Now we're going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, go through, pull up your yarn, come back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now we're going to do a triple double crochet. Yarn over twice, go through your ring, pull up yarn, come back through your ring, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And now we're going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, go through, pull up, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go back into the center of our ring and slip stitch to secure that leaf onto the ring. So now we have 2 of our clover leaves. And you guys can certainly make 4 leaves if you want to do a 4-leaf clover and not a 3-leaf clover or shamrock. You can certainly do that if that's what you guys want to do. You just add on 1 more leaf onto your clover. I'm going to do our last leaf. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Double, triple, double now. Oops, I needed to go through 1 more. Okay, double crochet now. Okay, another triple double crochet. Oops, maybe I should just keep talking and talking. It gives me luck. I don't really believe in luck, but okay. There we go, and we're going to do our double. And we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch back into the center of that ring. There we go, I think. Yeah, there we go. So we just finished our 3 leaves. Now we're going to do our stem, okay? So to do the stem, you basically want to chain 6. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to work back up our stem, okay? And we're going to count up to the 3rd stitch on our stem, and we're going to be working a half double crochet into that into that chain. So to do that, and again, you never count the loop on your hook, okay? You start here, 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to be doing is a half double crochet. So you yarn over, you're going to go right into that. You're going to yarn over, pull it through. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and go through all 3. We're going to do another one of those, okay? One more half double crochet. So yarn over, go through, come back, yarn over, come back through, yarn over, and go through all 3. Now we're just going to finish the stem up with single crochet. So to do that, you just go right into your chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through those 2 loops. Go right into your chain and go through. And that was 2 single crochets. So now we're going to go into the center of our circle again, just to secure our stem. So we're going to slip stitch in there. So you're just going to go through. Sorry. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we finished that up, right? Yep. Okay. Sorry, I was going in the wrong way. Go through, grab up your yarn, come back through, and just slip stitch right into there like that. See, that secured your stem there. And now we're just going to tie off, grab some yarn up, come through there. Okay, you're going to want to leave, especially if you're going to be using this as an applique, you're going to want to leave a fair amount of yarn, okay, a tail, to sew it onto whatever you're going to be sewing it onto. If you're not going to be using it as an applique, you really don't have to worry about that. So now, okay, as you can see, you have this hole in the middle, okay? What I do, now, again, if you're going to be putting something right on the middle part, like a little embellishment, you can certainly just leave it like that. But I like to kind of just close that hole up. So what I do is I take my tail, I take a yarn needle, okay, you're going to need that. Oops. Yeah. Never fails. The dogs bark. I get text messages from my kids. Okay. So basically you just want to go around, oops, dropped him, in a circle, okay, like this, you know, or this way, whatever. You just want to go around with your yarn needle and just kind of, you know, it's going to be hidden, and just kind of work your way around, And what that's going to do is that's going to tighten that hole up. Okay, as you do this, it's going to tighten up that hole. See, so as you pull, it tightens it right up. And like I said, guys, these little shamrocks are super quick. You can whip up a bunch of them, you know, and you can do lots of fun stuff with them. All right, so that was really easy, just to tighten that little hole up there. And then you can just hide your tails, okay? Hide this tail. And like I said, this, if you are using this for an applique, you can use this to sew it onto whatever you want to sew it onto. And that's basically it, guys. You hide your tails, and then you guys can do whatever you want to do with your cute little shamrock. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. I'm sorry, there was a couple little bloopers in there, but not too bad. And again, guys, this is Dollar Tree yarn. I would recommend it. I think it was worth it, paying $1 for it, especially if you're going to be making a bunch of little, you know, little things like barrettes or lapels, all different little things. You guys, the possibilities are endless. I hope you guys are doing good out there. I hope you guys are getting I hope I inspired you guys to get into the Irish mood, and I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. God bless. Till next time.